Wow, look at this rain. Car backing up. There's something in there. I'm not sure anyone can see that. Just rain, rain, rain. Canada's always rainy. You can feel a nice breeze right now. Doing a little bit mile walk today. The trees are starting to get windy. Oh my. Don't pick up wind. Oh no, the winds. That's what I'm going to make back home over this windies. Alright, let me wait here for a bit. There. Now, it will not blow away. It's gonna be wet a little bit. Let's go in the shelter. There I go, look at these bamboo trees. They're so pretty. Look at all of them here. Alright, got some babies. Look at this. Thick bamboo. Yeah, we found some bamboo. I'm taking that. Look how pretty thick this bamboo is. Taking some bamboo home. This is bamboo. Alright, let's take this and the umbrella. to home. Alright, we're going to walk back in the rain. Very interesting outside. Here we can look at this road. I'm not going to cross it because that. Let's pass. This is the only far we could go to see the road. It's not safe to go on this road. Very pretty road. This is how Canada's roads look like. They're like rocky texture. Sea texture rocks. That's what Canada roads are made of. Like a gravel pushed and smushed road. It's like this, but smushed. Let's get inside before it starts to storm again. Oh, there comes the rain. I'll stop here and put this umbrella back up. You guys see a bamboo in my section of the camera. Try not to point to it. So now it's going to start to rain again. We're almost home. I'm probably gonna see my Matthews family. I'm gonna join my family. They're very nice. Here we made home. Let me put this down. Uh-oh. Got stuck on me. Yeah, you can see my family. I'm gonna get some bamboo with me. Yeah. Look at this. Bamboo. That's a dead piece I found on the ground. Now you want to see my fan? This is my fan. Phil gave me this. So cooling. Very cooling. Let's show my family of this. Want to see a something I found, Pop Pop and Grandma? Look. I found this piece on the ground.
It's a stick. Stop it.
It's a bamboo stick.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's from the bamboo tree.
Yeah.
When they get bigger, it's even a bigger. You can make a big cane out of it. But that's what that looks like. That's bamboo.
Say hi.
Say hi. Being grumpy.
Say hi, Wayne.
Well, I mean that looks odd.
Want to say hi, Papa?
Hi, Papa. How you doing, Papa?
Alright, this is the end of the video. So, bye. Oh no, they're working again. This is the end of our little live stream of Matthew's family's house. And my name is Matthew Stranch. Enjoy my YouTube channel of lots of interesting, satisfying stuff. Bye-bye. Adios too.